Alright guys, we're moving bales today, big square bales. We baled and we combined wheat this week, so that's what we're doing, is moving bales over here at Boozy Cruises, another farm kind of we have. So that's what we're doing today. Steve's unloading them with the skid loader, as you can see here now. He's got the forks, I think, on it. I think it's called fork, yeah. Some of them got big stacks on them like this, so you can move like 3 at a time. Luke, he moves 3 at a time. Some people move 2 at a time. But these stacks aren't very big on this one. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, guys. So yeah, this probably not gonna be a big video, so just give you guys a heads up of why I'm not recording for like 3-4 minutes. So yeah, we got Hill's barrel trailer here hooked up to the truck here, and we've got the those are the straps we use to tie on the bales. So there's like little clicks things here that you plug in them, that you put onto the thing. So yeah, that's how you strap them. Then you tighten them up with the clicker thing, and then pull them down, wind them up, and that's how you do bales. So hope you guys like this video. See you guys on the next one. Peace.